hi guys. Kanina pa ako gising ng 6 a.m. Today, it's gonna be a special day dahil pupunta kami ng Disneyland again. Itong ticket na to is actually from my cousin. So Bea, if you're watching this vlog, thank you so much for giving us tickets for Disneyland. Sobrang matutuwa yung mga bata dahil pupunta kami ng Disneyland. I think makakapag-update ako kapag on the way na kami doon or nandun na kami. So, hi guys. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, ngayon lang ako makakapag-update kapag nakarating na kami. 12:30 na kami nakarating. Sana marami pa rin kaming magawa, pero ang una naming agenda is manonood kami ng parade. Solana! Tignan nyo naman tong bunso ko. Hindi pa kami nakakapasok sa Disneyland. Nawawala na yung ipit na isa. Ayaw niya talaga ng may ipit siya. Gusto niya walang ipit. Eh, ang ganda pa naman ng buhok niya. Sobrang kapal. Solana! Hi! 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 Dance, Solana! Dance! Hi! 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 Hi guys! Ayun si Minnie Mouse! Minnie Mouse! Minnie Mouse! Hi! Hi, Minnie Mouse! Hi!
Look at their feet swim. How did I swim? Show me. Show me with your feet.
Asha! Nasa Dumbo kami. Sana hindi sila humingi.
Wow! Baby, so warm!
Nakikita si Asha. So hi guys, pupunta na kami sa It's a Small World. Last time nagpunta kami dito sa Rado to for renovation daw. Solana, say hi!
Gracias. This was your birthday, Bebe. Small world.
That's a baby dance!
It's a small world. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all.
You want to touch the water? Look at Mama! Open it, open. Wow, so many food. Ah! Ah! Ay, Minnie Mouse! Hey! Asha, hug Minnie Mouse! Hug! Hug! Update guys. Wala kaming mapuntahan na masarap na restaurant. Lahat ng restaurant fully booked. So, wala kaming choice kung di bumili na lang ng something dun sa mga tabi-tabi, yung ganun. Okay lang din, at least makakain ng dinner. Kasi hinahabol namin yung time for fireworks and also meron pang isang parade. Actually, yun na lang yung plan namin gawin. And then, siguro mag-iikot ng konti dito sa Disney, California. Ayoko din na ipilit na maraming mangyari today kasi very limited lang talaga yung oras namin dahil nga late kaming nagpunta dito. Marami namang next time. Kung ano na lang yung kayang gawin, yun na lang yung gagawin. Basta ang mahalaga is masaya yung mga bata. Kasi hindi para sa matanda yung trip na to. Ito ay para sa mga bata. As long as sila ay nag-enjoy, nakikita mong mga ngumingiti, masasaya, okay na ako dun. Palagi namang may next time. So, ayun lang. Let it go! Let it go! Can't turn it back anymore. Okay, sasama si Mama. Wow! Wow! Hi! You like the ice cream? Yay! You want that? What's that? Lollipop! Did you see the fireworks?
Some things start out big, and some things start out small. But sometimes the smallest thing can make the biggest changes of all.
That's Genie. It's a genie. You can make a wish with Genie. Woo! His name is Lightning McQueen. Ooh, look at that. Andy from Toy Story. Say hi, Andy. Ay, look, look. Andy. Look at their wings, bebe, oh. Rapunzel. Rapunzel, long hair.
Cinderella, Cinderella! Dad! Wow, your favorite princess, Elsa! Hi! Hi! Elsa! 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 Hi ka anak, hi! Elsa! Olaf! Hi! Olaf! Hi! You're so happy, huh? Say bye na to them, bye-bye!
So pretty. Canada.
Minnie Mouse!
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse!
Ayun na, Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse! Diyan na si Minnie Mouse!
Minnie Mouse.
Hi ka kay Minnie Mouse! Hi, Minnie Mouse! Hi, say hi!
Hi, Minnie Mouse.
Ay, ayun si Mickey Mouse! Pinakahuli!
Napatulog na siya.
Matutulog na si Mickey Mouse. Wow! Mickey Mouse! Hi, Mickey Mouse! Hi, kuya! Hi, Mickey Mouse!
Oh, Doodle! Happy, Mami.
Update lang, pauwi na kami. Actually, isang ride lang yung nasakyan namin, which is Dumbo. And then the rest, punta kami kay Minnie Mouse. Nanood kami ng actually 3 parade. And then, nagpunta din kami ng California Disney para kumain. Yun lang. Actually, para sa akin sulit na yun kasi pagkabata yung kasama mo, hindi naman talaga mahilig sa rides. Lalo na yung sa edad nila. Kaya, ang pinaka gusto ko lang na nangyari today is nakita namin yung parade at nakita namin si Let It Go. Sabi nga ni Solana, Let It Go, which is si Princess Elsa. Kaya sobrang happy ako na makita yon today. Though, babalik naman kami bago mag 3 years old si Solana. Pipick upin lang namin yung in-order naming food and then uuwi na talaga kami. So, bye guys!